Hey, what's up guys? It's me Aryan here, back again with another video. And this time around, I'm gonna be unboxing as well as give you guys my detailed review of the Boat Rockers 225 earphones, which are specifically known as the bass heavy earphones. These comes in a budget price of around 500 rupees, and in that price, is it worth it? That's the question that you are looking for right now. So today I'm going to be giving you guys my review of this product as well as give you guys a unboxing experience, how the unboxing experience is of this product. So make sure you watch till the end of the video because I have covered everything of this product, and if you want to know about every single one thing about this, then definitely this video is for you. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And without any further wasting time, let's jump right into the video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, cause I don't fucking care.
So let us first start with the unboxing of this product. How the unboxing experience is, let us find that out. So first of all, when you're going to see the box, at the front there is the branding of this earphones, that is Boat bassheads 225, with a picture of the earphones itself. Also there are written a couple of more features about these earphones that the company brands it of what this earphones has to offer. Mainly the company advertises these earphones as bass heavy earphones, but I will let you know how the bass quality is as well as the other things as well later in this video. So if you're going to see at the back side of the box, there is also a couple of features written about these earphones, which I will be covering everything in this video. Now, not taking any much time on the box, let us quickly jump right into the unboxing experience of these earphones. So I'm going to cut it off with my butcher knife, and when you open it, you are going to see firstly the earphones itself. Also there are going to be a little plastic pouch in which there are 3 different sizes of ear tips available to you with these earphones. So that's a pretty nice feature to have, that because it will give you a more flexibility and comfortability with these earphones, and you can use it however you like. But we will take a look in detail to that as well. But let's first see how the earphones looks like. So I have ordered these earphones in black color, but there are more color options available on the internet, and I will provide this product's link in the description box down below if you want to check it out for yourself. These retail for around 550 rupees. Although the MRP is of 1000 rupees, but you will get it usually in 500 to 600 rupees range. So the first impression of these earphones is that the main component of these earphones is made up of metal. As you can see, the tip of the earphones, these are made up of metal, which feels sturdy and feels like it's not going to break anytime soon. But now, keeping the unboxing experience aside, let's quickly jump into the overview of the earphones. So first of all, taking a look at the earphones, you are going to see that these earphones have a metal build. But if you see the button of these earphones, that is not made up of metal, but it is made from a hard plastic, which also feels sturdy, and with my experience it has not broken whatsoever. It works fine for me. Also it has a 3.5mm jack, and if you're going to look at that closely, you are going to see that it's gold plated, which will make it more secure because the connector of these earphones will not get damaged anytime soon. So now let's jump to the main part, that is the review of these Boat bassheads 225 earphones. Now for the sake of the review to be more precise and more enjoyable to you guys, I have divided this review into some categories. For example, how is the build quality, how's the comfort, the loudness of these earphones, and the main part also, how is the sound quality, how is the bass of these earphones, which the company claims is pretty nice by them, but how it is. Also, how is the mids and lows of these earphones. Also, I'm going to talk about how is the sound quality over call. Also, we will be doing a mic test of these earphones and how the connectivity is, and finally my final verdict. So now let's jump straight into the review of the Boat 225 earphones. Now I have been using these earphones for over a year now, and in that particular time I have seen some pros and cons in these earphones. Also I have been using more earphones, more from the companies known like JBL, Sennheiser, etc. So time to time I will be comparing these earphones with them as well, which also comes in the same price range. So now first of all, let's talk about how is the build quality. So these Boat earphones have flat cables, which is tangle free in true sense, because there are many times when we are going to keep these earphones in our jeans pocket or in our bag without taking much of a time. And as these earphones have a flat cable, these do not get tangled easily. So you don't have to mess around very much with the earphones when you take it out of your pocket or from your bag, which in my opinion is a pretty good thing. Also, these earphones have a metal housing around the ear tips, which has its pros and cons. The pro is that these earphones are going to be more secure and will not break easily, but the con is that these earphones are going to be a little bit heavier than the competition earphones, the one that comes from, for example, from JBL or Sennheiser. Some people also talk about this in their reviews that these earphones are heavy, so they fall out of my ear easily. But I think there's a side note to that. See, if you are going to use the right size of ear tips, the ones that fits perfectly in your ears, then this is not going to be an issue at all. If you are going to use the right size of ear tips, there's not going to be as much of a problem that this is. So in my opinion, this is not a very big con. Also, the connector of this earphone is L-shaped, which is also a thing to note in these earphones. Now let's talk about how the comfort is. So these earphones are comfortable enough when used in an upright position. That means these are very comfortable if you are going to use them outdoor or indoor, and if you are going to use them with a right size of ear tip. In that case, these earphones are very comfortable to use and you're not going to find as much of a heaviness in these earphones. Now let's talk about the loudness of these earphones. These earphones are pretty loud. You're not going to find any problem whatsoever to increase the volume and take it to the max level, but I will suggest you to use these earphones at a 75% level of volume, because at that level these earphones are going to provide you the best quality of music or movie watching experience. Now let's talk about how the sound quality is. How is the bass on these earphones? How are the mids and lows? So first of all, talking about the bass, yes, these have a very good amount of bass in them, but these are not that much, for example, how the company tells it to you. So if you are thinking to buy these earphones specifically for the bass amount it offers, yes, it has a pretty good amount of bass, but if you want to increase that level of bass, I will suggest there are external apps available on the Google Play Store which will help you increase the bass while watching movies or listening to music. I will provide some apps in the description box down below. These apps work with every single earphones, but I will suggest you to use these apps because these will make your whole bass listening experience very good. Now talking about the mids and lows, these earphones have a good amount of mids and lows which are strong and crisp as well. So I wasn't disappointed with these in that department. So now let's talk about the sound quality overall. How is the mic on these earphones? So first of all, let's take a look at how the mic quality is. So as I have told you, I've been using these earphones for the past 1 year, and in that time I have been using these earphones for calling other people as well. So now let's talk about how the mic quality is on these earphones. As you can hear the voice right now, this audio is coming straight from the earphones mic itself. So here's the mic at my left side, and if I reach it here and tap on it, it's going to give me that sound. So here it is guys, the mic quality of these earphones. Definitely let me know in the comments below, how do you like its quality? Do you like it or not? Also, if I take it and put it in front of my mouth, this is how the mic quality is if you keep it close to your mouth. Also, it's a great way to listen to music as well as record your sounds, or if you want to talk to somebody, this is how the quality is going to be, that the person that you are calling to is going to hear. So this is the mic quality test of the Boat Bassheads 225 earphones. And I have been testing these earphones from time to time if the mic quality has degraded or not. And the final verdict is, it has not. The mic quality has remained the same throughout the year, and I have seen no issues with me whatsoever. And you have heard how the mic quality is. So let me know in the comment section below, how do you like the mic quality here? So the final verdict, whether these earphones are good enough to buy or not. I would say if you are thinking to buy these earphones in a bass heavy department, I would say these have a pretty good amount of bass, but I should let you know that these have a couple of more features as well. For example, these are made up of metal. The connector is gold plated. These also have a flat cable as well. Also, let me talk about the customer care service of these earphones. I have seen my friends damaging this Boat 225 earphones and have them replaced from the company within 1 year of its warranty. So there was also not so problem in that department. So I would say these Boat 225 earphones are a good option to buy, and you should keep these earphones as an option if you are thinking to buy an earphone which is in a budget category. And that was basically it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, and if you have learned something, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, comment down below #bassheads so that I can know that you have watched till now. Anyways guys, that was basically for today, and this is Aryan Sadyora signing off for now. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you see you guys in my next video. Peace.